This video, I am explaining about variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops in the JavaScript using the VS Code. Variables in JavaScript are used to store data that can be used and manipulated through your program. JavaScript has three ways to declare variables: var, let, and constant. Variables. Function scoped are globally scoped. Variables declared with variables are to the top of their scope. LED. Block scoped only accessible within the block where it is declared. Variables declared with let are but not initialized. Here is the example for the functions declaration. Arrays. Arrays are special variables that can hold more than one value at a time. They allow you to store multiple pieces of data in a single place and access them using their position. Arrays are divided into three types: array creation, accessing elements, array methods. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. You can define a function once and use it as many times as you need it. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. They can take parameters and return a result. These are divided into three types: function declaration, function expression, array function. Objects. Objects are collection of related data or functionality stored as key value pairs. Each key is a property or method of the object. Objects are collection of properties, each consisting of a key and a value. Objects can contain other objects, arrays, and functions. These are divided into two types: object creation, accessibility properties. Loops. Loops are used to repeat a block of code a certain number of times or until a condition is met. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly based on a condition. There are three types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop loops through a block of code a set number of times. While loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. For each loop, used to loop through arrays. Variables store data. Arrays hold list of items. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Objects organize related data together. Loops repeat tasks efficiently. These are the building blocks of JavaScript, and mastering them helps you solve problems in a more structured and efficient way.